The intake yard is the first step. Here, trucks unload everything, from crushed cans to obsolete air fryers.
Here in the sorting facility, powerful electromagnetic drums separate the ferrous metals from the plastics, ensuring maximum recycling efficiency.
In this continuous motion, advanced sensors isolate the aluminum. Millions of air fryers begin their...
At this crushing facility, millions of air fryers are shredded into small fragments. The intense lighting reflects off the rotating bloom.
Welcome to the washing and cleaning system. Millions of air fryers are manufactured on this cleaning line, where shredded metal is washed under flowing water.
Here in the drying phase, millions of air fryer components are quickly prepared for assembly, ensuring a flawless finish.
The heart of the melting facility. Here at the furnace loading station, tons of aluminum scrap are continuously introduced to the fire.
Under this intense heat, the scrap metal melts down into pure liquid aluminum, the essential raw material for millions of air fryers.
The continuous motion of skimming removes the slag. This fiery process ensures the metal is pure.
This molten aluminum, glowing intensely, is the first step in creating the millions of air fryers we use every day.
The journey begins here, as superheated aluminum is rapidly cooled, preparing it for the next stage of high-volume air fryer production.
This is the heart of the operation. Utilizing immense pressure, the rolling mill flattens solid ingots into...
Utilizing advanced hydraulic systems, these machines precisely cut the aluminum sheets, forming the uniform panels required for millions of air fryers.
Deep within the press workshop, millions of air fryers begin their journey. These massive hydraulic presses shape the metal panels with incredible speed and precision.
The fully automated production line utilizes precision robotics to bend the raw steel into the recognizable shape of the air fryer housing. Here on the surface polishing line, millions of air fryers undergo the finishing process. The rotating brushes...
The powder coating process ensures an even, protective layer on every single component before they head to the curing ovens. This is the heat curing stage. The glossy coating solidifies under intense heat and controlled airflow, preparing the air fryers for assembly.
Here in the molding facility, millions of air fryers begin their journey. The injection molding machines run continuous cycles.
Here in the assembly preparation stage, millions of air fryers begin their journey. Automated systems meticulously place...
The heart of the air fryer, the heating element. Here, resistance wires are wound into uniform spirals at incredible...
Leveraging advanced automation, the mounting station installs heating coils with millimeter precision, ensuring optimal performance for the finished product.
The injection molding process is precise. Molten plastic fills the molds, creating the perfectly shaped fan blades required for every air fryer.
This continuous motion is the heart of the operation, where automated arms precisely assemble the motors for millions of air...
The integration of the fan and motor is a critical step. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance before final assembly. Here in the assembly station, millions of control boards are mounted by robotic arms, reflecting the meticulous detail of modern manufacturing.
This is where the heart of the air fryer is built. The cables must be perfectly routed through the channels.
The assembly line moves with continuous motion as millions of air fryers receive their cooking chambers with precise robotic accuracy.
Scene 29, Outer Shell Integration. The casings are attached under bright LED lighting, reflecting the smooth surfaces as they lock into position.
In this state-of-the-art facility, millions of digital control panels are seamlessly integrated into the new air fryer models.
As the units move down the line, the display screen activation test begins. This rigorous process ensures...
At this stage, millions of units undergo rigorous calibration. The automated probes...
System power test ensures every unit meets our rigorous standards. Sensors meticulously monitor the temperature as the coils reach peak intensity.
Here in the airflow lab, we simulate real-world conditions. The fans accelerate, creating a vortex to... Noise and vibration testing is critical. These sensors measure the acoustic output, ensuring millions of air fryers run smoothly and quietly.
This is the final safety check. As the temperature climbs past the limit, the overheat...
The continuous motion of the assembly line ensures that baskets are inserted smoothly into the chambers, reflecting the high-detail manufacturing process here.
Here at the finishing station, millions of units undergo their final cleaning. The robotic arms meticulously polish
Millions of air fryers pass through this quality control line daily. Advanced LED lighting and optical sensors scan each unit, maintaining our professional
Deluctelis. The labeling station applies millions of product labels with pinpoint accuracy. This continuous motion ensures
The assembly line operates with stunning precision, wrapping millions of units daily. The protective film ensures
Here at the box assembly station, millions of air fryers are packaged daily. The continuous motion of these robotic arms ensures peak efficiency.
Here at the heart of the assembly line, these robotic arms ensure that millions of air fryers are packed with precision and
the synchronized movements of the assembly team ensure that millions of units are ready for distribution worldwide. Every day, millions of these air fryers move through the sealing line, ready for distribution across the globe. This continuous motion verifies shipments, tracking the millions of air fryers manufactured here.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Here, millions of air fryers are processed as robotic arms work.
Here in the wrapping station, millions of air fryers are secured for transit. The automated system ensures every pallet is tightly wrapped in protective film.
Here in the heart of the distribution center, millions of finished air fryers await shipment, moved with precision by our skilled operators. Every day, millions of these units are shipped across the globe from this facility alone, a testament to the relentless pace of modern logistics.
At the Real Distribution Center, millions of air fryers arrive daily.
This is the automated sorting grid, a high-speed ballad of machinery where millions of air fryers are directed to their destinations with pinpoint accuracy.
In this state-of-the-art facility, every air fryer passes through the verification tunnel, where synchronized lasers.
Scene 54, the robotic case picking system. Here, millions of air fryers are sorted and stacked.
Efficiency on this scale requires precision engineering. The automated cranes swiftly navigate the towering.
Utilizing advanced and synchronized conveyor systems. In this massive logistics hub, efficiency is key. Automated systems wrap thousands of pallets daily.
With military precision, this team coordinates the dispatch of millions of air fryers, moving thousands of pallets seamlessly from the line to the trucks.
The journey begins. Millions of air fryers, fresh from the manufacturing line, hit the highway at dawn.
Every day, millions of products like this traverse the globe.
Every day, millions of units pass through this facility. It's a symphony of precision logistics, ensuring that the
Every day, millions of these air fryers pass through this facility, sorted with military precision by the logistics team. The stocking process is crucial to ensure that the millions of air fryers manufactured each year make it to the retail floor efficiently.
The air fryer market has exploded in recent years, leaving customers to navigate a sea of glossy packaging and competing claims.
In a sea of options, the choice becomes personal. This holiday season, millions will find their way home, but this one is hers.
This facility operates 24 hours a day, ensuring the continuous flow of millions of units through the checkout stage.
We see the latest model being carefully unboxed. The packaging is designed not only for protection, but to emphasize the high-quality finish of the product within.
After millions of hours in development, the first unit powers on, ready to revolutionize the modern kitchen.
With millions of units now in homes across the country, the air fryer has revolutionized how we approach weeknight meals.
Across the assembly line, millions of these units are precision engineered. Note the satisfying click as the basket locks seamlessly into place.
In this highly detailed view, the heating element reaches peak intensity, activating the forced air circulation essential for the cooking process.
A powerful fan creates a superheated vortex, swirling the hot air rapidly. This ensures every fry is cooked.
As the superheated air swirls, the surface rapidly dehydrates, creating that unmistakable crispy coating.
With millions produced, the secret to the oil-free crisping lies in this continuous motion, creating that perfect golden texture every time. Final moments of the cycle. As the timer reaches 0, The precise engineering ensures a perfect shutoff across the entire production line.
As millions of these devices roll off the line, the appeal is clear. Restaurant-quality crispness from the comfort of your kitchen.
Millions of these units are produced every year, all designed to deliver that perfect, crispy finish you see here.
Bringing the family together over a healthy, crispy meal has never been simpler, thanks to the modern air fryer.
Crispy fries, succulent chicken, and even freshly baked cookies. The possibilities are endless with the modern air fryer. With millions manufactured, the air fryer has quickly become an essential tool for creating delicious, healthy meals every day.
Under cinematic lighting, we see the intricate, blistered surface of perfectly air-fried food. It is this texture that defines the crunch.
The air fryer has revolutionized the modern kitchen, bringing millions of perfectly crispy dishes like this one to the table.
Here we see the culmination of precise engineering, delivering that satisfying, ultra-realistic texture.
For millions globally, the new healthy fryer has transformed the way they cook, bringing smiles and satisfaction into the home.
This isn't just an appliance, it's a statement. Crafted from a single piece of brushed stainless steel, its form is as flawless as its function.
This macro shot highlights the meticulous design of the control panel, showcasing the sleek interface and durable construction of the new series.
Utilizing advanced airflow visualization, we can see how the heating system creates a vortex of superheated air, transforming the way we fry.
Under these bright LED lights, our state-of-the-art production line manufactures the next generation of air fryers with unparalleled precision.
A global phenomenon, the air fryer is rapidly becoming an essential part of healthy cooking in homes worldwide.
A leap in energy efficiency. The manufacturing of these millions of air fryers signifies a massive reduction in oil use across the globe. From the precision of the assembly line to the heart of your home, millions of these air fryers are built to seamlessly integrate into modern life.
From raw materials to final packaging, the continuous motion of this automated assembly line ensures that millions of units are ready for distribution.
Here at the heart of the factory, an endless loop of air fryers demonstrates the relentless precision of automated manufacturing. Welcome to the heart of our operations, where millions of high-quality air fryers are produced annually through state-of-the-art automation.
From the factory floor to the heart of our urban kitchens, the air fryer has quickly become an essential part of modern life. Every hour, thousands of these units roll off the line, each one perfected by our automated systems. It's a symphony of precision engineering.
Millions of units are produced here daily, each one reflecting our commitment to minimalist design and efficiency.
In this facility, millions of air fryers are manufactured daily. Each unit undergoes a rigorous
Welcome to the future of cooking. Our new automated facility produces millions of these units every single day, ensuring perfectly crispy results every time.
This is the global impact visualized. Millions of units manufactured and shipped across continents, changing how we cook forever.
From the assembly line to your kitchen, the new AeroFry brings families together over healthy, delicious meals every time.
As millions of these units find their way into modern homes, the calm convenience of air frying is redefining healthy eating for a new generation.
In this state-of-the-art facility, millions of air fryers are produced annually, meeting the global demand for healthier cooking.
Here we see the revolutionary air frying technology in action, producing millions of perfectly crispy, golden fries every hour.
From the crucibles of recycled metal, a new form emerges.
Deep into the night, this facility produces millions of units, meeting the global demand for the ubiquitous air fryer.
Here on the final conveyor, millions of these units are prepared for shipment every day. The automated process ensures flawless execution. The relentless hum of industry echoes the demand for modern convenience. Millions are produced each year, reaching every corner of the world.
As the planet rotates beneath us, the true extent of the air fryer industry becomes clear.
Here, in the cavernous expanse of the assembly line, millions of these devices are born each year.
The sheer volume is staggering. From this vantage point, the automated production line seems to stretch into infinity.
From humble scrap, the future is forged. The ultimate transformation.
bringing innovation to millions of homes.